Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the solution for largest multiple of 3. So let's see how we can solve this question. Coming towards the question, in the question we have been given an array of digits. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to create the largest multiple of 3 using the digits from that array. Alright, and our answer should be in string format, and it should not contain any leading zeros, and if there is no answer possible, then we need to return empty string. Okay, so this is what our question tells us to do. Okay, so how we can approach this problem? Okay, so we have been given some sample input and sample output, so let's study this first. So we have been given 39750, and our output contains all the digits that are given to us. Okay, 97538 as the largest multiple of 3. So one thing we can be sure about is that there could be one case that in which all the digit of the array are used. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say that I have this array of digits. Okay, now this is the same condition in which I can use all the digit from my array. Now I have to create largest multiple of 3. I don't know about how I can make my number largest, but I do know that how can I check for if my number is multiple of 3 or not. If I'm using all the numbers to create one single number which is a multiple of 3, which means it is divisible by 3. And in lower classes we have learned one simple divisibility rule for 3, which is sum of digits is divisible by 3, then it means the number is also divisible by 3. So if I say that I take all the number from the array to create one single digit which is multiple of 3, then the sum of digit will also be divisible by 3. Okay, like in this sample input case, right? We have 5 digit, we used all the 5 digit, and this is possible. Okay, now coming to the largest part, if this is the case, then you can clearly see all the numbers that were present in my array. I had just written it in decreasing order. Okay, so if all the numbers are used for creating this largest multiple of 3, then what I need to do is I just need to put all the numbers in decreasing order and then convert them into string. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Now let's suppose the sum of the digit is not equal to 0. So what are the other possibilities? So one possibility could be that if I divide by 3, I will get remainder as 1. Or if I will divide sum of digit by 3, I will get remainder as 2. These two are just 2 more possibilities. I don't think there is one more possibility other than that. Alright, now for the largest part I can do the same thing, but what about these parts in which sum of digits modulus 3 equals to remainder 1 or remainder 2? Let's take this sum of digit modulus 3 equals to 1. Okay, let's take one example. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, if we will add all these numbers, we will get 10, and 10 modulus 3 equals 1. Okay, now we can clearly see that we can actually create a multiple of 3 from it, because 3 is present, so at least one multiple can be created. All right, now how do I decide which number should be used for creating this multiple of 3? Let's take modulus for all the digits. It will 1 modulus 3, it will give 1, it will give 2, it will give 0, it will give 1 again. Now you can see clearly that if I either choose this, or I will say if either I choose 1 2 3 or I choose 2 3 4, I can create multiple of 3 using them. All right, either I choose 1 2 3 or I choose 2 3 4, at least 3 digit for creating multiple of 3. Now obviously this 4 3 2, this is a bigger number which is also a multiple of 3, so I will choose 432 instead of this. Now I can see that only 1 and 4 are making me or giving me choice, for which modulus is giving me, modulus with 3 is giving me 1. Okay, which means simply that if I remove, let me write it clearly, if I remove smallest number from this array such that modulus of it is equal to 1, remove one number such that its modulus is giving me 1, modulus with 3 is giving me 1. If I remove one such number, then it means that I can create a number which is the multiple of 3, and I can create largest by this, by doing nothing but forming all the digits in decreasing order and put it into a string. Okay, so this is one possibility. Okay, now let's suppose I have one more example. Let's say 5 8 and 3. Let's say I have 5 8 3. Their sum will give me 16. 16 modulus 3 will give me 1. Now if you will look at the modulus for each element, you will find 2 and 0. Okay, now talking about multiple of 3, there can be one multiple of 3, but you can clearly see there is nothing like nothing which has modulus of 1. You can clearly see if I will remove 5 and 8 both, then I can get one number, at least one multiple of 3. So I can write this also. Either I remove one, a number which is giving me modulus with 3 equal to 1, one number like that, two number which are going to give me modulus 3 equal to 2. Remove two such numbers, then I will be able to get the digits of array in which the sum of digit modulus 3 is equal to 0, which means if I remove only one number, or if I remove these two numbers, I will be easily able to create a number which is a multiple of 3 using the number that are remaining in my array. Okay, now the same case apply for this sum of digit modulus 3 equals to 2. The same case that I have created for one remainder will apply for this. Okay, either I remove smallest number which is giving me modulus equal to 2, remove one such number, or remove two such number such that they are giving me modulus 1. Remove two such numbers. Okay, with this I will have all the numbers that I need to create a multiple of 3. Now how do I create largest among these multiple of 3? It is very simple. I don't need to do anything. I just have to sort my array in decreasing order and just put it in one string. Okay, so that's it for the approach. Now let's try to implement it and see some edge cases. Okay, all right, then let's code it now. So first thing what we need is the sum of all the digits in the array. So let's create it. Sum equal to 0 for int digits. Okay, sum plus equal to digit, not digits, element, and that's it. Now sort. Now why we are sorting digits array? Okay, let me complete it, then I will tell you why. Digits dot end. Okay, now look carefully here. Okay, you can see that when we were doing for sum of digit modulus 3 equals to 1, we were either removing one element which was giving us modulus 1, or removing two elements which were giving us modulus 2. Okay, and what kind of numbers we were removing? The smallest number which can give me modulus as 1, or the smallest two numbers which can give me as modulus as 2. Okay, so isn't it very easy if I will have all the digit in the sorted order? That way I will be easily able to remove this. If these numbers are not in sorted order, it will be very difficult, right? Also, one more thing, if I have everything in sorted order, so putting all the digit in decreasing order won't be very difficult. I will just have to go from right to left instead of left to right, because from right to left all the element will be in decreasing order, because if we use sort, what how the elements are sorted? The elements are sorted in ascending order. So if I will go from reverse, I will get the decreasing order, and that way I will be easily able to fill my string. Okay, so that's why we are sorting our digits array. So we are done. Now just condition checks. Sum modulus 3 equals to 1. Okay, if this is the case, then either I have to remove one element which is giving me modulus as 1. Okay, so int I equal to 0, I less than digits, digit dot size, I plus plus, and that's it. If digits I modulus 3 equals to 1, then I have to remove it. So I'm going to remove it, although I know I have erase function in it, but I'm not actually going to remove it. Instead I will just change its value with -1, because I already know the digit starts from 0 till 9. Okay, so this way I will say that whenever I will encounter -1, I don't have to add it to my string. I just have to continue. Okay, so we have to do this only one time. Okay, I just have to remove only one such element which is giving modulus as 1. Okay, now there were two conditions, right? First was this condition, either I remove one element or I remove two elements which were giving me modulus as 2. Okay, so there's a dilemma on how I'm going to know if this condition has become true. So I have to use some decision making. So for that I will just use a boolean flag. Okay, so bool flag equal false. Okay, if my first condition hits, then my flag will turn true. Okay, if not flag, meaning if my flag condition never hit, then what I need to do? I need to do check for this modulus 2. Okay, and I have to remove two such elements, so for that I will have to keep some count. So int count equals to 0, and the same loop. Okay, instead of 1 modulus 2. Okay, so that's it. Instead of flag, my count will increase. And when my count will become equal to 2, the loop will break. Okay, now our edge cases. Let's say I wasn't able to remove one element which has modulus equal to 1 result. Okay, neither that nor I was able to remove two elements. Either I was able to remove one element, or either I was able to not remove any element which was giving me modulus as 2. So in that case, what is the result? If this is such case now, it means that no answer is feasible and I will have to return empty string. So I will do that. If count not equal to 2, then return empty string. Okay, and now same condition for sum modulus 3 equals to 2. Okay, now the condition will exactly be same. Okay, and what I need to do here is change some conditions. 1 equal to 2 and 2 equal to 1. Rest entire thing will remain same. In here I will have to check if my digit I modulus 3, I should say, if the result of my modulus is 2, then I will have to remove one element, or I will have to remove two such element which has modulus result as 1. Okay, and the same empty empty string case. All right, that's it. Now I just have to create my answer string. So string answer equals to empty string at first. Now I have to put all the digits that are valid in decreasing order. So I had to run my loop from behind. So int I equals to digits dot size -1 -1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, and I have to put only valid digits. And what are valid digits? Which are not equal to -1. Okay, digits I not equal to -1, because I have removed some elements, and in removed element places I have put -1 there. Okay, so answer plus equals to 2 string digits I. That's it. Now I have to return a answer. Okay, now one thing is remaining only, and that is, what if I have multiple zeros? In such a case, this condition will hit sum of digit modulus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and my answer string will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 zeros. Okay, but isn't it same as this? Yeah, this is same as this 5 0 string and single zero string. Now we have been specifically told that it should not have any leading zeros. So for that, I will have to put this condition. If I have multiple zeros, I have to return only 1 0. Okay, and I'm going to check if I have multiple zero or not. Do I have to go through entire thing? Actually no. I just said that I was going from right to left in decreasing order. Okay, if my largest element is 0, meaning this element is 0, it means that all the element will be equal to 0, because as I said before, the digits are only in 0 to 9 range. Okay, if 0 is my lowest, then 0 is the largest, then all the element will be 0 only. So if this first character in my string is 0, then it means that all the character in the string are going to be 0. So instead of putting all the zeros, I just have to return this if my first character is 0. Okay, so I will just put this condition here. If answer 0, meaning character at 0 equals to 0, then I have to return 0, else I will have to return the answer string. Okay, so that's it. Let's run it now. Okay, 25. Let's see what mistake I have made. Brackets. Okay, okay, I forgot semicolons here and here also. Did I forgot anywhere else? No, I don't think so. Let's run it again. So we got successful submission for sample test case. Let's submit it. Okay, it passed all the test cases, which means our code is entirely correct. All right, let's summarize what we have done. Okay, we have to find the largest multiple of 3. For that, first I assume that all the digits are required to create such a number. So for that, I just checked if all the digits can be used for making multiple of 3 or not, and I try to check it. If I get the result as 0, sum of digit modulus 3 equals to 0. I just know that all the digit can be used for creating the largest multiple of 3. Okay, so what I did was put all the digit in decreasing order in my string. Okay, if this was not the case, then it means either I will get remainder as 1 or remainder as 2. Okay, if I get remainder as 1, I try to remove either one one element or one digit which has modulus equal to 1, or two such digits which has modulus equal to 2. Okay, and same for my remainder equal to 2. I either removed one number which has giving me modulus equal to 2, or I removed two elements which was giving me modulus as 1. Okay, after that, same thing, I put all the remaining uh, digit in the array in decreasing order and put it in my string. Okay, so I think it was a very pretty straightforward question. Okay, so that's all for the solution of the largest multiple of 3, and I hope that you have understood well. If not, I will recommend you to watch this video once again. And that's it for the solution of this problem. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.